Hopkins High School is now using signup.com for its parent-teacher conference scheduling. Go to this URL and you'll be able to sign up for conferences. bit.ly/conference HHS. You'll arrive at our custom sign-up page. Scroll down until you see the name of a teacher that you want to have a conference with. I want a conference with Ms. Anderson in room W116. Click View to make an appointment. I scroll down and I look for a time that I'm interested in talking with Ms. Anderson. I want this spot from 7:50 in the morning until 8 o'clock in the morning. I just click the green Sign Up button. Signup.com gives you a couple options of how you can sign up for your conference. If you're comfortable, you can use your Facebook account or your Google account and automatically sign up, or you can sign in by just entering an email. The benefit of all three of these is you'll receive conference reminders as we get a little closer to conference time. If you're a person, however, who's not very comfortable using online signups and you don't like putting your information in an online system, just email or call the teacher directly and they can sign you up for the conference that you're interested in. I'm going to choose the third option and just enter an email, and I click Continue. It asks me to confirm. There's a couple questions you need to answer to confirm this conference appointment. Please put your first and last name as the person who's going to be coming to the conference. You can leave the number of spots at 1. You can choose to put in a phone number if you wish. I'm going to leave it blank for now. And the name of the student that you're meeting with. If you need an interpreter, enter the language here and they'll have that interpreter scheduled for your conference. Click Save and Done when complete. Now I've signed up for this conference and I can click Save. Now, if there's other conferences I need to make, you're just going to return to the bit.ly/conference HHS and repeat this process all over again. We're looking forward to seeing you at conferences.